Hi, Peter Hudson, Head of Training with the World Golf Teaching Federation in Great Britain and Ireland, founder of YGA and operator of the Free Lessons for Life program. And we're here today in the beautiful Pine Cliffs Resort in the Algarve. Thank you very much to the management letting me do this here. So we're going to talk a little bit about thins. So first of all, there are so many ways that you can thin the golf ball, and half of the challenge here is really trying to understand what exactly you're doing to cause the thin, because that's the most likely way that you can solve it yourself. But I've got a couple, but I've got one cure-all tip for you and one that requires a little bit of work. So first of all, the reason that we thin is because we do not maintain the radius of the club head. So this can be done in many ways. We could have lose the wrist there, lose the right wrist. We could not move. We could move too much. We could bend our arm. We could change our height. We could change the angle that we've got it at. So it could be any one of those things. What we can tell you is, though, that 100% we need to maintain that radius that we started off with at address, and the only difference is that we've got a bit more shaft lean and that club head is hitting the back of the ball there. So how can we do this? Well, the longer version is understanding how we apply the forces. So we have our radius, and I've put a screwdriver in the ground at about 2 or 3 degrees going down, and we've got to get that club head down so that we can hit that screwdriver further and deeper into the ground. So much practice doing that, and then understanding that when we've got the club in the hand, we can still have to apply those same forces, and it's the only way that we can do that. The simpler way, or the all-encompassing way, is from the original ball position. So if that's our ball position that we're holding on into the stance, then we've really got to try and hit that ball. So just by having an exercise where we move that ball position forward 6 inches means that we're going to have to do an awful lot of the things that are going to prevent you thinning that ball. So we have to understand what it is that we're doing first incorrectly. Then we have to apply the force to the back of the ball, and we can do that through just pushing that ball position forward, or getting a tool to show us how we've got to drive that into the ground. I hope this helps you. Thank you for listening.